In this video, we will walk you through the process of adding an included project to a main project. When you include a project within another project, you can share content across both projects, while maintaining each as a separate entity. To incorporate an included project, begin by navigating to the project activity and selecting Home. Next, click to choose the project you wish to enhance with an included project. Next, navigate to the Includes tab. In the Grid Editor, add a new row. Following this, in the Project column, select the project name from the drop-down menu to which you intend to add the included project.
Continue with the full technical tutorial at ctiresources.com.my/knowledge-base.